Well, that's 4. That's 4 pieces right there. I'm gonna put that American walnut stain on it right there. And I'll show you something. It's one of these things. One side of cart runners, in this instance, sized for a 1.5 horsepower international McCormick-Deering type M. So 2 pair, but I got something in the mail there. As I come down, I stopped up there at the mailbox, and you know, fast shipping and everything. Oh yeah, I had to have one of them Sureform tools, and it's quite a well-made item, you know. So, but to bring to your attention, buying parts, which I do quite often. I ordered something a couple days ago, and it was this item right here. You know, it's a spark plug wire. And well, you know, I ordered it, and in the listing on my order I sent in was for a black colored spark plug wire, 7mm. This is nice looking wire, but it's the wrong color. I looked on the paperwork and it said I was upgraded to red. It's got a red stripe in it. See, I can't use that on this project. It's not in the specs. I'm gonna keep it, but I ordered a different color, you know. I'm just saying. Four pieces, wood, you know, in trade size, about 2x4, considerable amount smaller than that. A 3/8 hole, you know, 4 pieces, have 4 holes each piece, 3/8, about 3 inches deep through hole. I will get that done now. Yeah, we got them holes down yonder. Now them right there pieces of wood, they don't already been underneath that oval sander out there for a considerable amount of time on a hot day. 80 grit. And we'll wait till tomorrow. I'll let that fiber settle down there on the wood grain, whatever it does. Whatever that grain does there tomorrow, you know, we knock the fuzz off of them. I put some of that there stain on there. And then about 2 or 3 coats that Hellerman's polyethylene stuff. We'll see what it is. Now what I did today right there, you know, set it up in that drill press, you know, all hold in the same position. Well, You know, I wasn't going to say anything about it, but a cashier over at a Cracker Barrel restaurant establishment here close by, made it enlightened me. The incident was when I went up to the cashier to check out. The lady greeted with quite a cheerful greeting. A nice person. But her comment was everything okay? And I said, well, you know, not really. But she didn't know I'd already had to go. I had already complained to the waitress, the waitress that attended to us, that my salad, it was a nice one as far as looking at it, but it was wilted lettuce. So I complained and had already sent it back and was pressed into by a cheerful, helpful waitress. I was pressed into making an optional choice to replace the salad wilted. So, you know, just off memory, fried apples. I'm just saying. So anyways, back to the cashier, the lady behind the calendar, I was hesitant to even complain anymore. You know, it was already done and gone, and I was okay with it. So, but the lady at the cashier, she says, if you don't tell us, we won't know how to fix it. We won't know to fix it. And I thought that was quite, you know, I was impressed with her. You know, what's wrong? Tell us and we'll fix it. If you don't tell us, we won't know nothing about it, was what the gist of it was. But anyways, it ended in a pleasant meal, and that's that. But if you don't say nothing about it, nobody won't never know, I'm not complaining, I'm just, you know, throwing it out there. The order that I got, it's one of them, well, it's one of them projects. Actually, it's the engine. Some engines calls for a certain color wiring on it to be original. Okay, that engine that I'm working on there in particular, it specifies the original. Well, don't specify it, just the wires that came with it originally were always, well, I'm thinking black. You know, could have been yellow. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. But the plan, the spec on it, the look, color, called for a solid black spark plug wire, 7mm. Well, I ordered it because it didn't have any, because it's a Bosch and it takes a couple of little inches longer spark plug wire. And that's another thing. I don't have that either. I'll own up to it. I don't have one. I'm not sure where to get that item at. But on a Bosch Magneto. But anyway, that's the story on the spark plug wire. It's the wrong color. I'm just saying. And I don't have any of the correct color. I don't have any. I'll have to order some. I don't have on a Bosch Magneto. You may have one. Well, it wouldn't do me no good if you had one, but there's a, on Bosch Magneto, pay attention to this, there's a curved, there's a boot goes there, and I don't have that boot. So, now I have to get one of them boots, a curved one. So, well, yeah, I have to get one of them. You know, man. You know, if it was 1923, you could probably, well, you couldn't just run up at the hardware store. You'd have to go all the way to Chicago to get one. Just saying. Oh yeah, what I did today.